Well, if you are watching this video of mine, one of the reasons would be an attractive thumbnail, isn't it? So aren't you excited to learn how to create eye-catching yet simple looking thumbnails which could attract the visitors and ultimately increase your watch time and views? So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Well, there are n number of tools available in the market to create stunning thumbnails, but one of my favorites is Adobe Spark. Well, my friends at Adobe would be really happy with me for this promotion, but trust me, this is really a very good tool for creating such graphics because it provides a single one-stop solution for all your graphics needs. So let's have a look how to start with it. The very first thing is you need to create an account. You can even sign in with your Google account. I've already signed in with my account. Most of the things are free over here. I have not paid a single penny so far for creating any of the thumbnails for my videos. Just have a look. These are the thumbnails which I have created for my channel, for my videos. I have created approximately 20 to 30 or even more. Let's have a look at the latest one, but before that let me make a copy of it. Let's make a thumbnail for this video only. That is how to create thumbnails. Okay, so let's see how to do it. It's already duplicated, so let's open it up. It's really simple, drag and drop kind of an environment where you can drag the images, drag the text boxes and create a stunning looking thumbnail within minutes. Just have a look over here. This is a text which can be your heading, which can overlap your image, or it can even be centered, whatever, however you wish to place that particular text. Similarly, you can give a heading. In my case, it is the third video now, so it would be part 3 of 5. And here is the name of the tools which I am going to use. In my case, it will be Adobe Spark. So you can see how easy it is. That's it, you're done with your thumbnail. So now let me show you how to create it from scratch. So just go back. Okay, this is your dashboard. So to create a project from scratch, simply go to this, create a project. At the bottom, click on view all. You will be able to see these are the options Adobe Spark provides for creating images, graphics of your wish. So simply click on this YouTube thumbnail. Because YouTube wants a thumbnail of the aspect ratio 9:16, so this is the standard size of it. So this is how the default thumbnail looks like, but I don't want such kind of a thumbnail, so I would simply replace the content. I would simply delete whatever is present by default and I would be adding new contents to it very shortly. So let me replace it. Okay, so you can see that at the bottom right corner there is a small watermark, but you know that thumbnails with unwanted watermarks don't look good. So click on it, click on remove once, and it will show up the pricing packages. But for the time being, I am not having a single penny to spend on thumbnails, so click on get started and that would be removed. Similarly, click on this and remove this. So now you are having a blank slate to work on. Click on add text. Now you would like to add some text or some heading. In my case, let me give it a title as video on thumbnails. It's really very simple. Okay, so this is how it looks by default, but obviously I can change it. Click on style, slide this particular slider, and you can see that the font size, the font face, etc. keeps on changing. So it's up to you whichever font you wish to have. For the time being, I'm selecting this one. Okay, so as you know, thumbnails have graphic contents which actually attract people into watching the video. So let me add some graphics to it. Let's upload a background image, otherwise the thumbnail would look really dull. Click on add photo, upload photo. I have a picture already stored. Click on it. We have two options, either pin to background or move freely, but we want a background image, so we should pin it to the background. It takes time depending upon the image size and the internet speed you are currently having, so let's wait it out. So this is how it looks. You can resize it, you can change the orientation. Simply click on the image, move it and finalize it. You can even rescale it, you can even rotate the image, but I am really happy without rotating the image, so leave it as it is. So this is how I want my thumbnail to look like. If I want to change the color of the thumbnail, color of the text in fact, so click on this color tab and you can change the color. Obviously this is not looking that cool, so I can change the color as per my preference. Let's assume that it's looking really cool. Okay, so let's finalize this particular color of the text. Okay, so let's add some logos. Obviously logos add a professional touch to your video content, to your thumbnail. So you can add a logo, you can make a logo of your own. If you are a follower of my channel, then you would have an understanding of how to create logos. Otherwise you can simply click on the link hovering on top of this video and check out the video I've created for creating logos. Okay, so these are few logos I have created. Let's select this. I want to move it freely because I don't want it to be pinned to the background, so I can select it, move it around as per my wish, as per my convenience. So it again takes some time depending on the size of the thumbnail. So this is how it looks. So resize it, move it, place it wherever you want. I would like to have it over here. Okay, so similarly you would like to have a personalized touch to your image. Why so? Because if you're having your own image in the thumbnail, it attracts more viewers to click on the video and have a look what exactly I'm talking about. So try to click a good quality picture of yours and add it to the thumbnail. It will add a personalized or a customized look, which will obviously attract more views and more clicks from the viewers. So again, move freely.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
This is how it looks like. You can drag it and place it wherever you want. You can keep it like this. You can simply slide the text. You can change the order. For example, if I place the text over here, you can see the text is getting hidden behind the image. So what you can do is you can click on the image and drop the order. Now you can see that the text can slide over the image, but that also doesn't look cool. So place your text box in such a way that the image and the text don't collide with each other. So you can see that by using simple techniques how we can create good looking thumbnails which ultimately attracts more users to watch your video. The final touch is left. What exactly are you discussing about? For example, if I am creating thumbnails, which are the tools I am using to create the thumbnail? So you should write down the tool also. In my case, it is Adobe Spark. Okay, so I can write it like this over here, and this is how your thumbnail is now complete. So I hope you got how to create a thumbnail with the help of a tool called as Adobe Spark. If you like this video, do let me know your comments in the comment section. Leave your likes. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.